many more things. Dr. Rosen is trying to put the nanotubes inside the polymer to make it composite. You know the nanotube is strong, polymer is not, but polymer is cheap, easy to make any shape they want. So if you can make the polymer strong enough, you might be able to use the composite, nanotubes composite, to build a car, to build an airplane which is light and yet strong enough, right? And you have a big group of the so-called low-dimensional researchers in the center, headed by Professor Rasa. You can see that they focus on two major areas: silicon and carbon-based materials, right? Silicon and carbon-based materials, silicon and carbon-based materials. Sorry, this one. And then you have organic, right? Organic-based materials and biomaterials, which is organic as well as some compound materials, the so-called oxide. Right? Some of the project already carried out in this research group. Okay, start from carbon nitride, zinc oxide, even silicon nanostructures. Right? If you are interested, come to Professor Rasa and others. Right? In the group. And at the same time, you have some exciting work on nano materials. You know that organics can be low cost. You can stamp them, you can print them. Right? So one day you might not need clean them to make your electronic devices anymore. Just use the organic to print them and form a circuit, right? So you have whole groups of researchers working on preparing characterization replicate of the so-called organic light emitting diode, right? Sensors, right? Photoelectric sensor, biosensor, etc. And even trying to use it to generate or to absorb energy from the sun, right? And you have enough of facilities for you to explore into the area of nanotechnology locally. Okay? Any questions? If you have questions about this, talk to them, not me. Right? But if you have questions about my work, let me introduce to you. I'm from Michigan Tech. You know this United States with the Great Lakes area. And this big lake here is called Lake Superior. And you see your fingertips here. We call Upper Peninsula of Michigan. And at the center of the Michigan, down here, we are located here. Very remote area. Right? But it's very beautiful. Come visit us. This is my research group. We work on not only just materials, nanotubes, nanowires, etc. We work for photonics, sensor, and molecular electronics applications. This is a Malaysian student. Alright, some of the materials, carbon nanotubes that we built, we can control them, single wall, double wall, multi-walls. And introduce to you new types of nanotubes called boron nitride nanotubes, right? Very different from carbon nanotubes. And if you coat them nicely, they can repel water. One of the latest results that we just published a few days ago in Nature. So which means it can be a protective coating for chemical attack, etc. Right? Super hydrophobicity. And whole lots of zinc oxide materials, which has published in books and journals. We can also transform silicon to silicon tubes. And if you are interested to know more about this, we talk about carbon so far from carbon nanotubes, right? I just mentioned to you boron nitride from boron nitride nanotubes, which is very different from carbon. And now, if you mix carbon and boron, you form boron carbide. You mix carbon and nitrogen, you form carbon nitride. With some of your lecturers now exploring on carbon nitride. If you mix all of them together, you form boron carbon nitride. So it depends on the ingredient that you put in. It's just like a chef, iron chef. You can cook anything that you want, right? So if you're interested, this will be the new book, right? I am the editor of this book. It will be published 2 months from now. All right, some of my sponsor and my research group down here. With all this, I thanks for your attention, and I hope to take some of the questions if you have any. All right, thank you.